Hi. Yes, since I have been professional cyclist, that was my objective. Yes, I have training all days. I have been very disciplined. No, I haven't thought to resign. I have given always the best to me. No, I haven't considered my goal for that races. I have been strong on the races. Luchito have been my trainer since I ran the Colombian tour in uh, 2015, but I didn't win that race. My debut was in the Mediterranean tour in France in 2016. No, I haven't been the first Latin American cyclist to win the Tour of France. Bye.